Mechanical project engineering is a specialized field within mechanical engineering that focuses on the development, management, and execution of mechanical systems. Mechanical project engineering consists of planning, design and engineering, procurement and supply chain management, project execution, monitoring and control, documentation and reporting, project handover, review and evaluation. We at ISD are involved in the planning, design and engineering stages. Thus, we provide the concept layout that is validated with the client, the general design, where we create the basic layouts and high-level concepts, and of course the detailed engineering that includes the detailed drawings, specifications and bills of materials. Mechanical engineering projects can be designed using a variety of software tools, depending on the specific requirements and the nature of the project. Our engineers are using AutoCAD from Autodesk for 2D design and Autodesk Inventor and SolidWorks for 3D modeling. While there are newer CAD software options available with advanced features and capabilities, AutoCAD remains relevant due to its familiarity, adaptability, and strong presence in various sectors. Many professionals and organizations continue to use AutoCAD for their design and drafting needs, and its relevance is expected to persist for years to come. Mechanical engineering services are provided for steel construction projects and industrial engineering, such as conveyor systems, molds and stamps, sheet metals. The companies that need support for these kinds of projects are from industries like intralogistics, automotive, energy, like mining, oil and gas, renewable, offshore, and also construction, road and transportation. Our clients are mostly from the Netherlands, but we have also worked for clients from Germany, Austria, Belgium and Australia. The best part of my job is problem solving and impact on society. Mechanical engineers are often tasked with solving complex and real-world problems. The challenge of identifying issues, developing innovative solutions, and seeing them implemented can be intellectually satisfying.